Oh, hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, it's getting to be that time of year. You know, temperatures are dropping down into the freezing off of everything. How shall we say? Kids are getting ready to go out for Halloween, score some free candy. The turkeys are starting to sweat it. And I go to Walmart, and what do I stumble into? That's right. This year's, and I should say Christmas promotional package. And they're calling it the Everyday Carry Set. So stay tuned. Right after we roll the intro, I'm going to show you and tell you about all the 5 pieces that came in there. Alright, all you viewers to be named later, I don't know, that might be catchy. I keep promising to get like a little thing to call you guys when we get past that intro, but still, I just want to say thanks for staying past that intro. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you're choosing this one. Now, for you wonderful first-time viewers of my channel, I want to say seriously, thank you for finding this video. We do things really, really differently here, and I really hope you're going to come along for this ride that we call, you know, the clown car of fun. Look right down below here. It's for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe. Gonna see a little channel watermark right there? Go ahead, click on it. Should pull up subscribe and knock it out the way. That way you're in the car with us and having some fun. Alrighty guys, now like I said, there's 5 pieces in this set. The whole thing costs 20 bucks. So if you break it all down, that's what? 4 bucks an item? Not too bad. Alright? As you can see, you've got a big blade, medium size, and a small little guy. A little keychain, well I should say keychain tool, and something else. But I'll show you all those in a moment. Now there's all the wonderful tech specs on everything for all you guys who want to see it. But we're going to get there anyway here in just a moment. Now all of these blades have this in common. They all have liner locks. They all have a stainless steel frame. They all have glass reinforced nylon scales. They are, on the 2 that have them, yeah, 2, sorry, I had to check. Single position pocket clips, and all of them have lanyard holes. Now let's start with the big guy, okay? And that's what he looks like. This year they included some serrations on one. No biggie. I do like that stonewash finish that's on there. Well, seriously, it is honestly one of my favorite ones. That and satin. I mean, they're like 51.49, 49.51, you know, it just depends on the blade. Now, overall, it's 7.9 inches. The blade is 3.5. Enclosed, it's 4.5. It's got a weight of about 4 ounces, and it's a budget steel. Alright, those of you familiar with my channel, you know, camera took a dump. We're going to back this up. Got a weight of 4 ounces. It's a budget steel of 3CR13. All of these blades have that steel. If you think about it, it's a Christmas promo item. It's very low in cost. I'm not expecting OS 8 or, you know, just... this is what I expected, and I'm okay with it, seeing how this is the 3rd that we've brought to the channel in this, well, I should say, series, because I really started bringing blades around 2016. I don't know, 17, somewhere around there. But still, as you may have seen, it does have little speed safe opening. So you can do it by the flipper, or you can even get in there and just racking it open there. I did like the way the scales look. It was just pretty unique to me. Okay, so there's the big guy. Now, let's move on to the medium. Got an overall... Ooh, he's a manual open, so it's still pretty brand new. It's got an overall length of 6.8 inches. The blade's 3, enclosed is 3.8. It's got a weight of 2.4 ounces, and like I said, 3CR13 steel, and it is a manual opener. You can go by the flipper, or you can, you know, use the thumb stud. There's a closer look at the scales on this guy. And right there, that's what I like that they're doing. So, you know, they're just printing right on there how it's the 2019 Christmas promo. Alright, there's the medium. Now let's pull up the small. He's got an overall length of 5.25 inches. The blade's 2 inches, enclosed it's about 3.1. It has a very minuscule weight of 1.3 ounces. 3CR13 steel. Like you saw, manual opening. So here's a really, really closer look. Okay, now before we get to the other two parts, we're just going to do simple and quick, not really extreme cut tests, you know, because I really don't expect that much. Okay, and just one trying to go slow like we've done before. So, I'll take that. Pretty sharp for the big guy right out of the box, and with that little tear, it's kind of what I expected. Alright, now for the medium. We're not doing paracord or ratchet strap today, because that would just... we'd be here a while doing 3 blades at once. It's having some problems, so let's go... Yeah, I'm having a problem catching it for the slow. It's not really showing anything, but it was having a problem catching for some reason. Alright, now the medium, I should say the small. Wow. Yeah, this one's good to go. I mean, look at that, right out of the box. Okay, now the other two items that came in here, one of them I think is a complete piece of crap. To be honest, I really do. You got a K tool. It's short for keychain tool. Standard bottle opener. They call this the screwdriver, and that's a box cutter. No, it's really not. This is maybe great for those Amazon boxes that show up with like that cardboard tape on there, but real tape, you've got a problem with. How do I know? I just tried opening up a Johnny Slicks box a little while ago, and you know, if you're curious about anything from Johnny Slicks beard care products, look right up top. There's going to be a card for every single beard care, skin care, hair care that we've ever brought to the channel, and you'll see his stuff up there. But I had a problem opening the box with that. So, yeah. I think that's a complete piece of crap. Now, it does come with a Torx tool. So, that's this guy right here. And I like that. Let's see, can we get it focused? Kershaw's website, probably a customer service device. It's got an overall length of about 4 inches and weighs 0.7 ounces. Little magnet right there for the Torx bits, which are stored right down here. You get 3 of them. A T6, a T8, and a T10. So those are pretty common bits. You know, it just simply goes... Here, let me secure that. Right there, and held in place. So, okay, now, I know this is a strange one for any other ones we've ever really done, because normally I've got a blade up here for a while doing this. But this guy is 3 blades in 2 devices, okay? I like this year's a little bit better because in last year's they gave you 2 of the identically same, yeah, sounds redundant as crap, but they gave you 2 identical of the little small guys. So I like the fact we got a little variety in this year's Christmas pack. But, you know, this is the important part of the video. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. Sorry it's not like our usual ones where I'm trying to do a whole bunch of other things with it, but it's just a quick look at it because it's only 20 bucks for a 5-piece set. Oh, I like it. Limited lifetime warranty. And you can only get this at Wal Mart. Hence, like, the little X, I believe, is like their code for Wal Mart. But I also want to know, do you think it's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? I mean, I don't expect much from a Christmas promo pack. I really don't. I think they're neat to put in the collection. I think they're neat to be able to give away. I think it's a great potential starter, you know, set for somebody who might want to start collecting blades, you know, or getting into everyday carry at a lower price point. I don't know. Like so I said, I want to know what you guys think. So here comes the other fun part of this for me. For you first-time viewers of the channel, I'm going to say thank you so much once again for viewing this video. Look, I know it's really, really different, and I wasn't sure what you guys might expect for this one, but hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you're going to subscribe and stick around for a while. Now, for you first-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who didn't do it at the beginning, see, here's your second chance. We here on the channel believe in second chances and redemption. Look right down here. Gonna be a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's gonna bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? You know, that's a great question. Seriously, it really is. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos, two are going to be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at this year's Christmas holiday promo pack, whatever you want to call it, from Kershaw. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day today.